Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I figured for today's video it could just be like a laid back makeup haul. I'm still in my pajamas, so if you would like to see some of the new makeup that I picked up, please keep watching. So a lot of this stuff is from all over the place. I have some stuff from the Morphe website, some stuff from Beautylish, Pure Cosmetics, and Ulta, so kind of just like a wide range of places here. Normally I just do Ulta hauls, it seems like, but now I have some new stuff to show you guys. I forgot that I also have some new Colourpop palettes as well. So this right here is from the Morphe website, so I figured we could start off with this first. So I fell down the TikTok rabbit hole again on makeup tutorials, and people were raving about these Morphe lip liners, and I don't think I've ever tried them. I don't think so. So I decided to get 3 different shades, and these I had to purchase individually. And then I really wanted one of the lip liners that everybody and their mom talks about, but that was only available in a set because it was sold out. But anyways, we'll get to those. So I got these 3 shades right here. Tell me this doesn't look like MAC packaging. Like, anyway, so this first shade right here is in the shade Spiffy. Try to get some shades that I know I don't already have, but we'll see. This looks identical to a MAC lip liner, so this is what it looks like. And okay, so it's kind of like a reddish brown shade. I thought by the packaging it would be more of like a caramel brown, but yeah, this is definitely more of like a mauve brown shade. Then I picked up the shade called Coffee and Kissy, which I guess I'm not going to go off of the shade on the box because it's definitely not what it looks like. And then again, jeez, this is more kind of like a darker kind of peachy shade. It's this one right here. This one's in the shade called Bay. Which looks nothing like this. So yeah, this looks like just a mauve shade. Ooh. That's really pretty. It's kind of like a deeper pink shade. So I really like these. Honestly, I'm sure I have something similar to these, but these are really pretty shades. I think that this Bay shade, this last one I swatched, would look really pretty with like a darker kind of mauve pink lip. And then let's move on to these lip sets. So this is called the Out in a Pout Blushing Nude Lip Trio. It's a lipstick, lip gloss, and a color pencil, and like I said, this is in the shade called Blushing Nude. I think this is a perfect idea. Like, I know Kylie has her liquid lipstick and her lip liner for lip kits, but how perfect is a lip liner, a lipstick, and a lip gloss? Genius. Okay, so here's the 3 things that are in here. Start with the lipstick first. This is in the shade Flirt. Here's the packaging. And I'll go ahead and swatch this. It's a really pale pink nude shade. These are like my favorite shades of lipstick. We have the gloss. This looks gorgeous. This is in the shade called Boho. Why do I feel like I have this? Hold on a second. So I actually have that shade, so I'm gonna swatch mine and then I'll put that one in a giveaway. And I've already tried this, so I know I like it. And then that's the gloss shade next to the lipstick. Really pretty. And then the lip liner is in the shade called Love Bite, which is the one that I wanted. And it was sold out by itself, so you had to get it like in this set. And I think this is the one Jaclyn Hill always talks about too. So here is the lipstick, lip gloss, and the lip liner that's in this pack. This lip kit. Really pretty. I mean, although I don't feel like this Love Bite shade is like, it's weird. It's like, it was sold out, everybody always raves about it, and it is really pretty, but it looks really similar to that first lip liner that I swatched, so. I'm trying to think about it. Why do I feel like I have that Flirt shade already too? What is going on? See, this is what happens when you have way too much makeup. I can't keep track of like what I have and what I don't. Alright, moving on to this one. This is the Out in a Pout Caramel Nude Lip Trio. I don't think I have any of these. Okay, so here's the three. Let's start with the lipstick. This is in the shade called Boo, and it's a matte. Ooh, I don't think I have anything like that. It's kind of like a caramely nude shade. Love that. The lip gloss right here. This is in the shade Chill. Ooh, they really did do a good job of putting the most perfect shades with each other. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna have to test that out. Well, we'll see. This is the lip liner. This is in Trendsetter. Oh, and this is like a super dark brown. Maybe if I'm feeling frisky, I would use this dark liner with this super light lipstick and lip gloss, but I probably would use more of like a MAC Strip Down if I was going to use this lip gloss and lipstick together. But yeah, I definitely, well, me personally, I needed a dark brown lipstick or lip liner, so this works out for me. I just don't know if I would use all these three together. Use these three together. Sorry, I can't talk. Next, I picked up a couple things from Dose of Colors. So I got their new concealer to try out. It's been a while since I've purchased anything from Dose of Colors. This is the Meet Your Hue Full Coverage Concealer, blendable, lightweight, long wear, full coverage. I got the shade 03 Fair, so I'm definitely gonna try. Whoa. That's definitely very fair, but I'm gonna try this out in a full face of first impression, so keep a lookout for that. I honestly can't even think of a review that I've seen off the top of my head. Then I got the Dose of Colors Jackpot. Remember, I think it's a shimmer eyeshadow. This is the packaging, super cute. Yeah, Block Party eyeshadow in the shade Jackpot. Okay, yeah, so it's like a pressed kind of pigment glitter. Oh, okay, I remember swatching these at Ulta. See, I always forget, but that's what it looks like. And then also, ooh, it's like a really pretty like dark green shade with a little bit of like a kind of gold glitter pigment running through it. That's really pretty. Next, I got some new setting powder to try out. This is from Tarte, and it's the Shape Tape Setting Powder. I don't know. I have the foundation I still need to try out. I don't even know if they sell it anymore. I'm gonna have to look. But Shape Tape Concealer, it's like 50-50 for me. Sometimes it works for me and other times it doesn't. It's like my skin has to be like perfect. Like it can't be dry. Like my under eye cannot be dry and my face cannot be dry, or it does not work for me. So for the concealer, it's kind of hit and miss. I know it's a lot of people's like holy grail, but for me it's kind of like depends on the day, you know. But I wanted to try out the powder. So this says absorbs oil, mattifies, blurs, bakes, and sets. Mess-free sifter, formulated with vitamin C for brightening. So I figured I could try this out. Ooh, this is the packaging. Then I got the Tarte Sugar Rush Lip Slip Vegan Lip Oil. You guys know I love any kind of lip mask, chapstick, whatever, so I wanted to try this. It says Fresh Pressed. I don't know if that's the shade or what. Ooh, this packaging is so cute. This screams summer to me. Ooh. Not a big fan of the smell. Kind of smells like gummies, like sour gummies. The scent is Fresh Pressed. I don't really know. It's just a clear lip oil. I thought it'd be nice just to throw on throughout the day, or if I just wanted like a wet, juicy look, I would use it for that. But I love the packaging. That's so cute. Then I got this. So I have seen like this ice roller that's all over Amazon. It seems like a lot of people have. I think it has like a green ice roller and then the handle's blue. But I saw this, so I wanted to pick it up. This is the Kitsch. I'm not really sure how you say it, but I have a lot of their like hair bands, like scrunchies and stuff like that. So I saw that they had this. I wanted to try it out. This is the ice roller for you, or for your overworked sensitive skin. Surgical stainless steel roller. It says apply your favorite moisturizer, enjoy your rejuvenated calm skin. It says sterilize roller head with alcohol before each use. Okay. Store ice roller and box in your freezer. I feel like this is something that I would like in the summertime when it's like super hot. This is what it looks like. Next, I have the Pure 4-in-1 Skin Perfecting Powders. This is a face palette. This is what it looks like. It says this 4-in-1 palette features a stunning mix of bronzer highlights and blush and translucent setting powder arranged in a sleek, travel-friendly palette designed to help you sculpt and highlight the perfect look. So this is the packaging, and then the names are listed on the back. This says medium tan is the shade. Ooh. It looks a little dark for me. Like, I'm definitely going to need a self-tan, but I almost think it might actually even be too dark for me with a tan. Like, look how dark that highlighter is. I don't know. I might have to give this away, but it looks really pretty. But yeah, I don't know. Maybe with a light hand I can make it work, but it looks just a smidge too dark for me. Then the best for last, some new Colourpop palettes. Colourpop eyeshadow palettes. Okay, so this is the Colourpop Going Coconuts palette. This is what it looks like. I love Colourpop eyeshadows. They're probably my favorite at the moment. And then it is a plastic. That's the front. The names are on the back. It's been sold out a few times too. This one does have a mirror. And here are the shades. This is like an everyday palette. You could smoke it up with the deeper shades. I love this like mauve shade right here. There's a couple of shimmer shades in there. And yeah, it just looks like something that I would probably get a lot of use out of. Then we have the Colourpop Making Mauves palette. I would literally buy every single eyeshadow palette from Colourpop. Like, that's how much I love them. This one is not plastic, so this one doesn't have the mirror. This is just the cardboard palette, but that's the front. The names are on the back. And then look at these shades. I love mauve purpley shades. So pretty. More mauve shades than purple. I don't really like purple eyeshadow. Like, sometimes I do, but not really. But this looks really pretty. It has 3 pressed kind of shimmer shades in the middle and 6 mattes. Can't wait to play with this. Then I bought the All That Colourpop palette. I think this was like their Valentine's Day palette or something. So this is the front, and then the names are on the back. I like this whole vibe of this palette. It's so cool. And then this is the front of the palette, and then the names are on the back. Then look at this. This screams Valentine's Day. I'm pretty sure that's when it launched, but look at that. Oh my goodness. I love this. Pressed glitters, some mattes. It's like sexy to me, I guess. I don't know how makeup can be sexy, but to me, like, this just looks beautiful. It has some really pretty, like, darker kind of red shades in it. Then I got their pastel set right here. So I did go ahead and get the set, and I didn't buy them individually. So this is the Colourpop Cloud, does it say Cloud Buy or Cloud Dye? I can't tell. Like DYE Palette Vault. This is what it looks like. So this just slides out, and then you have this, so you can open it up like a book. And then these are the 3 palettes. So this one is called Aurora and Out. Again, it's plastic, so this does have a mirror. The names are on the back. And then, ooh, this is this palette. Like neon pastel, not really neon, I guess more like pastel shades. There's even some like pastel kind of lighter neon shimmer shades in this. I don't have anything like this, so that's why I wanted to get it. Then the other one is called In a Trance. It's the purple one. Again, it's plastic. There's a mirror and the names are on the back. Look at this one. Oh my god, this screams springtime to me. I love kind of like the baby blue, baby purple, and baby like fuchsia purpley shades. This is so pretty. I cannot wait to put on like a cute little pastel outfit and then do like a matching eye. And then the last palette is called Miss Bliss, and it's the coral tie-dye one. Again, plastic, names are on the back, and there is a mirror. Ooh, look at this one. Baby pinks and baby oranges. This looks pretty. I cannot wait for springtime so I can bust these palettes out and do like a monochromatic makeup look. But that's everything from my makeup haul. Let me know if you guys have tried out any of these products, or if there's anything that you're loving at the moment that you want me to try out in the comments below. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and please don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this makeup haul, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.